What's up, YouTube? Team Movies here. In support that ride-along star Kevin Hart is reteaming with STX for an upcoming superhero comedy titled Nightwolf. Hart will star and produce the film, and the film will be scripted by Pokemon Detective Pikachu writers Dan Hernandez and Benji Samad. And the film follows a man played by Hart who meets his future father-in-law for the first time, only to discover that he is secretly the superhero known as the Nightwolf. All right, I'm getting a I'm getting a bit of a Meet the Parents vibe. Like this has a bit of a it really sounds like Meet the Parents, but with a superhero. That's what I'm getting a bit of vibe. And I think you know Kevin Hart just worked with STX recently with the film The Upside, which I love The Upside. And Kevin Hart, I'm a really big Kevin Hart guy. I think the dude is awesome. He's funny, hilarious. So cannot wait to see him in this. And I'm really curious to see who's gonna direct this and who's gonna probably. It's gonna be cool to see who's gonna play the father-in-law and who else, like who's gonna play his wife. I'm really intrigued by this. I mean, and it's from the same people who wrote Pokemon Detective Pikachu, and I really quite love Detective Pikachu. So that alone makes me hyped for this. So yeah, it should be an interesting comic to watch. Anyway, Kevin Hart also has a few other stuff in the pipelines. Like his other upcoming projects includes Jumanji: The Next Level. He's in the new drama called Fatherhood. He's in a comedy called My Own Worst Enemy, and he's supposed to be in remakes of Uptown Saturday Night, as well as the remake of Scrooge, and the remake of The Great Outdoors. And he's also supposed to be in a film called Extreme Job, and he's supposedly supposed to be in Chris Rock's new film, Co-Parenting, and he's supposed to do Ride Along 3 with Ice Cube. So, yeah, it's a couple of other stuff coming out as well. So, but, Nightwolf, sign me up. I think that sounds like be something really fun. Anyway, let me leave it to you guys. What are your thoughts on the soundings of Nightwolf? Would you agree with me that it literally sounds like Meet the Parents? Do you also like the sound of it? Are you interested in it? And are you a fan of Kevin Hart? Drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that bell for more notifications. This here is Team Movies. Signing off.